Today I show you how to set up your Porsche Wallbox and how to pair it with your smartphone.
Check it out.
The Porsche Wallbox offers a seamless charging experience with up to 22 kilowatt power. You can have the Wallbox installed and ready to charge in your home with the installation services. The installation services can be accessed via the Porsche homepage, or you can contact the dealer. With installation services, you get everything you need, from a preliminary home check over any necessary infrastructure upgrades to installation and startup. And all this even before your Porsche is delivered. This way, you can charge your car from day one. Once the Wallbox has been installed and is able to charge, you can pair it with the My Porsche app. It's very simple. Let me show you. Together with the installation and user manuals, you have received a quick guide with a QR code and a 10-digit PAC code. Open your smartphone's camera, scan the QR code, and it will open the My Porsche app for the pairing process. Now it shows the Wallbox serial number and demands the PAC code. Let's give it just that. Just select your country. And now your Wallbox is paired with your Porsche ID account. Now you might have to set a charging timer depending on your country. If you want to start a pairing process but your Wallbox is offline, you will get a recommendation in the My Porsche app to pair it via Wi-Fi. The procedure is similar. Again, scan the provided QR code. Select your Wi-Fi. Enter the Wi-Fi password. And you're done as well. With the Wallbox linked to the My Porsche app, you now have an overview of your charging equipment. With this, you can conveniently monitor and control the charging process directly from your app, as well as access your past charging history and export them as PDFs. Additionally, the Wallbox can be restricted to certain vehicles. To manage access, go to the equipment settings and then tap on vehicles. You can now authorize which vehicle can use the Wallbox for charging. Note that for this functionality, plug and charge has to be activated. For vehicles that have not been authorized, you will get a notification on the My Porsche app. You can then authorize or decline the vehicle once or add it into your list of authorized vehicles. And that's it. You now know everything you need to set up and pair your Porsche Wallbox and start charging your new electric sports car. For more information, visit our website or contact your local Porsche dealer. And now have fun with your Porsche and see you in the next video.